Over the years, technology has revolutionized our world and daily lives. Technology has created amazing tools and resources, putting useful information at our fingertips. Technology also has paved the way for multifunctional devices like the smartwatch and the smartphone. And also, computers are increasingly faster, more portable, and higher powered than ever before. With all of these revolutions, technology has also made our lives easier, faster, better, and more evenly fun. Virtual reality is one among the technology which makes a virtual environment that gives experience as a real world. We are going to see the top tourist places to visit virtually, which was made using virtual reality technology during this lockdown. The first tourist spot we are going to see is International Space Station. This is located at low Earth orbit. You can visit this place by following the link in the description. This is a joint project between 5 participating space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA and CISA. This station is suited for the testing of spacecraft systems and equipment required for missions to the Moon and Mars. A special thing about this location is the windows are covered at night hours to give the impression of darkness because the station experiences 16 sunrises and sunsets per day. Something to notice: only 239 people from 19 countries had visited the space station, many of them multiple times. You can also visit this place virtually by following the link given in the description. The next wonderful location we are going to see is Musée d'Orsay Museum. It is located in Paris, France. It is one of the largest museums in Europe, which attracts more than 3.5 million visitors per year. It mainly holds French art dates from 1848 to 1914, including paintings, sculptures, furniture and photography. It also holds collections of architecture and decorative arts. You can visit this place by following the link given in the description. The next we are going to see is J. Paul Getty Museum. It is located at Los Angeles, California. This is also an art museum housed on 2 campuses, Getty Center and Getty Villa, which receives over 2 million visitors every year. The museum features pre-20th century European paintings, drawings, illuminated manuscripts, sculpture and decorative arts, and photographs from the 1830s to present day from all over the world. It is also well known for its architecture, gardens, and views overlooking its city, Los Angeles. You can visit this place by following the link given in the description. The next one is Rajarajeshwaram Brihadishwara Temple, which is located in Tanjavur, India. This temple is built by Tamil King Rajaraja Chola I between 1003 and 1010 ADs. This temple testifies the brilliant achievements of the Cholas in architecture, sculpture, painting and bronze castings. This is also one of the largest temples of India and one of supreme brilliances of Indian architecture. You can visit this place by following the link given in the description. The last one we are going to see is Sydney Opera House. It is built in New South Wales, Australia. It is the country's #1 tourist destination and it is the busiest performing arts center. It attracts more than 10.9 people every year. Its unique use of a series of gleaming white sail-shaped shells as its roof structure makes it one of the most photographed buildings in the world. That's all about the top tourist destinations to visit virtually during this lockdown. You can visit these places by following the link given in the description. A wonderful thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.